If Steam inventory is giving you an error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix that can solve the problem in just a few simple steps. This is a common issue, and most of the time it can be caused by old browser data inside Steam, which is why clearing it often helps right away. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump straight into it. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is running, look to the top left corner of the window and click Steam. This opens the main Steam menu. From the drop-down, click Settings. The Settings window will open, and this is where we'll make the change that can help fix the inventory issue. On the left side of the Settings window, go to In-Game. This section usually contains several browser-related options and data controls. Look for the button that says Delete Web Browser Data and click it. This step clears stored browser data inside Steam, which can help remove corrupted or outdated files that may be causing the inventory error. After you click it, Steam may take a moment to clear the data. Once that's done, close the settings window if needed, and then restart Steam completely. Make sure Steam is fully closed and reopened so the changes can apply properly. Restarting is important because it lets Steam load fresh data instead of reusing the old session. Now, after Steam opens again, go back and try opening your inventory one more time. In many cases, the error will be gone and the page should load normally. If it still doesn't work immediately, give it a minute and try again, or restart Steam one more time just to be safe. This fix works best when the issue is related to cached browser data, temporary glitches, or loading problems inside Steam itself. It's a simple method, but it can save you a lot of time before trying more complicated troubleshooting steps. And because it only clears Steam's browser data, it's a safe first step to try when inventory pages stop loading. If you want more helpful Steam tutorials, gaming fixes, and quick troubleshooting guides, don't forget to subscribe. And if this video solved your problem, please leave a like so more people can find the fix too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.